substances, they wouldn't be deadly, right?
We did it! We're back.
Round 2!
We finally made it to round 2. And we placed 3rd in the state, so somehow we're ranked 3rd, like, against all these other teams. These are all the teams that competed, and here we are at 3rd. Bring home the trophy. The trophy. Natties. We're just. John, how are you feeling?
I'm so ready for this test.
He's so. John, please sign this. So Becca's in this line to get all this free stuff. What are you gonna do with any of it?
I'm gonna have it all.
Just a bunch of balls.
I need a band-aid, bro.
I think I just That's what me and Sadie want.
No, I want candy. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I got all this candy.
Hollywood, these experiences paved the way for successful 20-plus years as a firefighter and paramedic for Salt Lake County Fire and Unified Fire Authority.
I said you're 3rd.
You guys are ranked 3rd.
Yeah.
We're that. Sterling, do you think we can do it?
Yes.
I have no clue what it is.
It's just random stuff.
I know.
You can take my spot.
Yeah! Guys, we're coming up. We're gonna caca.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to caca? We're cacawing. Guys, get ready! Get ready! Get ready! It's us! It's us! Oh my goodness! I did not see the caca. I did not do the caca. We done. We're clapping because it's over. All right, it's 7:30. We're heading in. So we had an assignment to each study 10 minutes last night to prepare for this, and Becca studied 20. How are you feeling, Grace? 100%. Okay. 100%. And we're also sitting outside of the men's bathroom. Better view. Okay. Guys, there's our doom. Or that's where we're gonna be pushing all the buzzers.
Slap. You can see in there. You should try.
Okay guys, it's getting real, so I think we're gonna say a prayer.
It's going.
Alright, we're going in, wish us luck. Okay, here's our setup.
This whole time.
Here's our compass. No!
It wasn't even close.
We were number 1. It was like 6-1, and we got the most random questions right. And Grace carried us. They're playing Uno with these random people now. No, alright, we lost.
Trying to fly.
We lost, but we made it to round 3.
Because when they said, oh, this team, and I'm like, oh, you're short, girl.
And who's the hottest person on your hosted team?
Sahel Shaw.
Wait, what's your bet?
Perfect.
What do you have to say about that?
I'm flattered.
Who am I here with?
Ashton Everett.
What do you want to be in the medical field?
Cardiothoracic surgeon and later cardiologist.
Wow, he knows his stuff.
And who is the hottest person on your hosted team?
It's Doug Young.
Wait, that's not Young.
Finish the interview.
D. Young.
I think that's a little bit more personal than I'd be willing to share.
Becca.
Lovers?
Whoa!
Lovers? Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And then
so,
I have
Sorry,
med next. But yes.
Who am I here with?
Hi. I'm Mr. Young, Doug Young.
Occupation?
Like right now? Yeah. So I am the, let me see what I am. Tabulations Technology Director.
And,
This is a rare sighting. Normally I'm not seen outside the office.
oh.
Oh, you want to run yesterday.
And what is your favorite
Medical word.
medical word?
My favorite medical word, sphygmomanometer.
Signometer, it's the blood pressure
It's a
cuff.
blood pressure cuff. Yeah.
Wow,
Thank
thank
you,
you!
thank
Wait, what do you have to say to Bird?
What did I have to say to
Because he's
Bert?
not here. Wait, I'll send this.
I went on a run yesterday without you because you weren't here.
Bird, you heard it here.
We're posting it on
Young.
Instagram.
We're doing homework in the car. Guys.
Rotting on my phone.
We're just waiting for, at 12, we'll have the midterm test. So we'll just do homework in here for a couple hours.
Going up on a Tuesday.
Bro, I wish I could remember my. Whoa, what's that?
So that's me.
It was like when you can't like eat. What did you put? Table.
They've taken over the booth.